Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So yeah, Ethereum is working out pretty well, I must say. Yeah, in one of the last ETH videos, I gave you a target up here. I believe it was between 1630 to 1660 for the wave 3 in yellow. We can just double check that. So we started down here, yeah. So you can see the 1.618 extension for the wave 3 took us to 1640. That would have been target. We reached it. I mean, yeah, pretty much reached it. Yeah, 1630 was eventually the price where we got to the 1.618 at 1640 here. Also made us, the guys in the Signal channel on Telegram yesterday had a signal. Told them that a breakout here above, what was it? I believe a breakout above 1524 could signal wave 5 of 3 is progressing with a target of, that was the 1.1 extension of the 100% extension here of the wave 1. Target was around 1660. Didn't quite reach that, unfortunately. So there's always a little bit of a range we need to be aware of. The problem we had with this one, yeah, and to explain that as well, I mentioned it I think in the previous video, is you can do these, you have these moves here, yeah, and you have these extensions of, for example, the wave 1. The problem is, depending on which exchange you look at, the wave 1 here has different lengths because it's this wick and the volatility. So in the end, that wave 5 worked out. We made a significantly higher high compared to wave 3. Didn't quite reach the wave 5 target, but we reached the wave 3 target. In the end, that was the higher level target. However, now I think this overall impulse isn't over, as it seems. I think we are now heading into wave 4 in yellow, as I already indicated it here on the roadmap. Now, this wave 4, where would that go? So we can now make the assumption for now, until we don't, as long as we don't go above here 1630, that wave 3 is finished. We're now coming down in a wave 4. Target for wave 4, the ideal target, yeah, is 1463. That would make absolute sense because we would hit the support level of this channel. You can see that channel, the support of that support line, the ascending trend line, okay? I think that makes sense. We've already reached in this wave 4 the minimum, the 23.6% fib level, turned around but dropped briefly below it. Would rather indicate that we're going to see here the move down to the 38.2% fib level at 1461. We could even go down to 1410. That is the 50% fib level. That would sort of max it out. I can see that when Bitcoin is extremely weak, for example. So, but ideal level would be the 1461. From here, a move to the upside in a wave 5 would be expected. We can make some assumptions about wave 5 at the moment. And the problem is wave 1 is very short. So we can make some assumptions about wave 5 length. Yeah. Let's see, because wave 1 is extremely short. Normally you have the 1-to-1 ratio or the 1.618. The problem is here, we wouldn't even make a higher high. That would be 1617 for the wave 5. Yeah, I'm not sure. So let's see the wave 5. There's a risk wave 5 is short. I think, yeah, there's a risk wave 5 is short. However, a level that would make sense is that $1,700 level that I mentioned all the time. I mentioned in the beginning, a breakout above 1280 can take us fairly quickly to 1700. The reason was the historical volume VPVR indicator, which didn't show any, or basically an insufficiency between the area of 1280 and 1700. We can add it to the chart again. You can see it here. There isn't much in terms of historical volume by price. It's all here. It's starting here around 1700 and above again. So that was clear. A move above 1280 can push us to 1700. Let's see if we get there in the end. Let me know in the comments if you think we'll get there. From there then, yeah, let me hide the VPVR again. What I'm going to do is when we reach that, yeah, there will be a wave 4 target down here, a larger one. So all of this will then be corrected in a larger wave 4 here in blue, and then there will be a wave 5. That could take us above 1700. Then we'll take it step by step here. Let's see if we now first reach that wave 4 area. Below, what did I say? Below, let me also tell you when it would get invalidated. So a real invalidation point would be below 1280. That would invalidate the whole thing. But I can already tell you at which level it will become unrealistic that we still are in this kind of impulse. It will be below $1,410, the 50% FIB retracement. Then it's probably not a wave 4 anymore. Might be a 1-2 then, we'll see. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.